Shiba Inu is trending on Twitter. Their burn rates are going exponentially crazy. Now is your time to load up on some Shiba Inu tokens before some massive price pumps. Welcome back to the 99B YouTube channel. I'm your host, Umar Khan, and today we're talking about none other than a fan favorite Shiba Inu cryptocurrency, a top cryptocurrency across the board that's about to be doing some crazy things. Now also having a massive event upcoming that's going to be exclusively purchasable through the Shiba Inu ecosystem. If you haven't loaded up on Shiba Inu, now is your chance to load up. But before we start the video, I want to ask, if you haven't already, make sure you smash the subscribe button down below if you want to stay tuned to the latest and greatest crypto and meme coin news. Talking about the market, guys, the markets are looking pretty poopy. We're down 3%. Fear and greed index at a 43, neutral, basically at fear. Bitcoin losing a $60,000 position. Ethereum at $2,600, which is looking very bearish. However, I think there's some light at the end of the tunnel, and it looks like we're about to see a crazy pump in the meme coin market. Top meme coin, we're looking at top meme coin number 2, Shiba Inu, currently ranked 13 across the board at an $8 billion market cap. Some interesting things coming. Shiba Inu up 2% on the week, down 1.3% on the day, which in my personal opinion gives us a solid buying opportunity. On the month, we're down about 24%, and again on the 1 year, we're still up 36%. However, guys, we're highlighting this right now, down 24%. We go to the 1 year chart, we can see if from its all-time high this year alone, from this cycle alone, it's pretty big gains, and we're anticipating not only will Shiba Inu break its all-time high from this year, but its overall all-time high. And if you do enter at this price point, you're going to be sitting on a massive bag, and I have a bunch of news that's going to support this behavior. Now, before we go into the news, I want to take a second to highlight this coin that's currently on pre-sale right now. It's been going absolutely crazy and taking the internet by storm. This project is called Play Doge. It's a play to earn Doge companion game, but more important than the play to earn utility, it's on pre-sale right now. So this gives you a chance to buy into a project at its earliest convenience. Imagine buying into the Shiba Inu pre-sale, right? And then selling when it pumps its all-time highs. This is an opportunity we're bringing here on the 99B YouTube channel, and it's Play Doge. It's the ultimate mobile play to earn game that brings the iconic Doge meme to a life of a Tamagotchi style virtual pet. Secure your play tokens during pre-sale to earn crypto while playing a nostalgic 2D adventure game. This project has already raised $6 million, has been mentioned on a ton of different articles and blogs in the crypto space. Solid about tab, a great UI as well, and a great roadmap, followed by solid tokenomics plus staking as well. So if you want to buy now and load up on this project, link in the description below. We anticipate it's going to do some crazy things, so now's your chance to load up. But back to Shiba Inu, we're taking a look at technicals. Technicals are looking interesting to say the least. Oscillators are neutral. Moving averages are in strong sell, giving us a total summary of sell. But in my opinion, I think it's a buying opportunity, and it gives us a great discount to load up. Now for the Shiba Inu, some very exciting news. So first off, listing announcement, K9 DAO partnered with Gate.io to integrate K9 and a variety of marketing and growth activities. So that's pretty bullish. And we can also see treat yourself to Open Spa. They're at the FutureCon, a big crypto event in Toronto going on for this weekend. I believe tomorrow is the last day. Pretty bullish. They've been doing some solid things over there. You can now buy Bone and USDC with Visa, MasterCard on Shibarium. That's pretty bullish as well. And then massive recap, guys, on an 11-minute video really highlighting what's been going on with Shiba Inu. So Shiba grows bigger, gets stronger, and never slows. Be a part of the future, be a part of Shiba. So Shiba price history, we can see it's up a tremendous amount, 25 million plus lifetime increase, a million weekly media impressions. So sorry, not a million, 100 million weekly impressions, and over 6 million followers across social media. There's a large, beautiful recap, guys, showcasing some big things that's been going on in the ecosystem between the Shibarium, their games, their school, play to earn, NFTs, you name it. They've been doing so much over the past 3 years. As an 11-minute video, especially if you're a Shib holder, you may want to give it a watch. They kind of end the video by hinting towards a massive event that's upcoming. It's only going to be purchasable with their tokens, right? Day one at FutureCon was a blast. Thanks to everyone who visited our booth. It's pretty cool. And then they're just chilling by Toronto, the Toronto skyline. That's pretty cool. And then an alert for scammers trying to target Shiba Inu and some safety tips. Just engaging with the community. Day two recap, which is pretty cool. In August 2023, we launched Shibarium on L2 blockchain, turning Ritoshi's vision into reality. So far, we've achieved 417 million plus transactions and 1.8 million wallets created, which is absolutely insane. So we can see you can buy Bone with credit cards as well, which is pretty bullish. Reduce withdrawal from 7 days to 45 minutes, so that's pretty awesome. We can see bridge your NFTs, gasless, zero fees, which is awesome. L3 app chains coming on Shiba, and going through their averages and some massive milestones that they've achieved. It's pretty awesome how massive this project has grown. With all that being said, guys, plus their massive IRL event, which is coming later this year, we're anticipating some crazy things to happen within the Shiba Inu ecosystem, which makes us very, very bullish. But again, guys, none of this is financial advice. Always your own research and due diligence before investing any money in the cryptos we cover on this channel. But let me know in the comment section below. Are you bullish or bearish for Shiba Inu? Are you excited? I think this year is going to be the year we see a massive bull market pump, and Shiba Inu is going to really pump to the moon, and all those holding a bag are going to be the ones taking those rewards. That wraps up the video, guys. Until next time, it is your friend Umar. Peace.